Today we are going to start our second lesson. It is 1.2 on to the summit. We reach the top, and this lesson is written by Tenzing Norgay. Actually, our first lesson 1.1, and the name of that lesson is being neighborly. That lesson is reduced for this year, for this session, because of COVID-19 problem. So left that 1.1 because that is reduced from our syllabus. So let's start from second lesson. It is 1.2 on to the summit we reach the top. So what is the meaning of summit? Look at the board. Summit, it means the top of mountain. If there is any mountain, suppose this is the mountain. So this top part of that mountain is called summit. This top part of that mountain is called summit. So open your books, page number 16. Now today, in this first part of our 1.2 on to the summit, we reach the top. In this first part, we are going to learn this information given about the writer and the information given, little bit information given about this lesson. So now listen carefully. Tenzing Norgay, 29 May 1914, 9 May 1986. It means Tenzing Norgay, he was born in 29 May 1914 and he died in 9 May 1986. Known at birth as Namgyal Wangdi, and from his birth he was known as Namgyal Wangdi. This was the birth name of Tenzing Norgay. And often it means many times. Often referred it means, look at the board. It means mentioned, referred to as Sherpa. So what is the meaning of Sherpa? Look at the board. Sherpa means a group of people living on the border of Nepal and Tibet. So, the people here we can write some more information. A group of Himalayan people. So the people, particularly the people who live in Himalaya mountain, and those people particularly live near the border of Tibet and Nepal. At first, Nepal was a part of India, but that is now separate country. Look at the board. Suppose this is our India and there was a country here was Bhutan, after that Nepal, and after this there was the part of Tibet. So at first this part and this part was of India, but after some time these two parts were separated and being known as separate country. So at that time the people who were living near this border, Tibet and Nepal border, those people were called Sherpa, and Tenzing Norgay was a resident of this border area. He was living here, this border area. He was born near this border area. Therefore, Tenzing Norgay was called Sherpa. Sherpa Tenzing was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. Mountaineer it means a person who climbs on mountain. Was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. So this Tenzing Norgay, this was mentioned as Sherpa Tenzing, and he was Nepali but Indian. At that time Nepal peoples were Indian people. So he was called Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. Mountaineer it means the person who climbed on the mountain. He was one of the first two individuals. Individual it means, here the meaning of this word individuals. It means persons known to reach the summit of Mount Everest. So there are only two people who first reached the top of Mount Everest, who reached the summit of Mount Everest, and Tenzing Norgay was one of them, which he accomplished. Accomplished it means finished, successfully, complete successfully, accomplished or finished successfully. Accomplished with Edmund Hillary on 29 May 1953. So, the two people who first reached the top, the summit of Mount Everest. Before this, no one reached the top, the summit of Mountain Everest. These are the two people. First was Tenzing Norgay. We can see the image of Tenzing Norgay here in our lesson. This person is Tenzing Norgay. And the second person was Edmund Hillary. These two people first reached the top, the summit of Mount Everest. Now below that, there is given some honor medal received by Tenzing Norgay. Number 1, honor is Tiger Medal. This medal he got in 1938 and honored by this honor given Tenzing Norgay by Himalayan Club. And for what this medal, this honor is given? For what? Third Everest expedition. Expedition, it means mission. Expedition, it means mission. Number 2, Star of Nepal. This honor, Star of Nepal, this honor given in 1953, and this honor given by King Tribhuvan. There was a king in Nepal and the name of that king was King Tribhuvan. This king gave the honor Star of Nepal in 1953 to Tenzing Norgay. For what? All accomplishments. Accomplishment, it means, here the meaning of accomplishment, it means an act of receiving something. So this second honor given by King Tribhuvan, Star of Nepal, to Tenzing Norgay for all accomplishment, for everything, whatever Tenzing Norgay received in his life. Third, Padma Bhushan. This honor given in 1959, and this honor is given by Government of India. For what this honor is given? Padma Bhushan. This honor is given by Government of India in 1959 for all accomplishment, for everything, whatever Tenzing Norgay achieved in his life, whatever success he had got in his life, for that Government of India gave honor of Padma Bhushan to Tenzing Norgay. Now below that we will get information what he is describing in his lesson. Tenzing described the climb to the top and all events occurred. Occur, it means happen. Occurred during. During, it means within the particular time or period. During the historical climb. So, the first reach on the top, on the summit of Mount Everest, this climbing was historic climbing. And now Tenzing is telling to everyone how that climbing was, what kind of difficulties they had faced on that climbing, what events happened during that period, that time. The article it means piece of writing. Now here the article it means the lesson we are learning, this means the article. Article it means a piece of writing. A piece of writing it means this lesson we are learning in this part, that is called article. The article also describes what brought him to climbing mountains, and particularly what forced Tenzing Norgay to climb mountains, particularly Mount Everest. That is also we will learn through this lesson. So students, today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.